If your Audi doesn't feel as sharp as it should, if the steering feels slightly vague, if braking isn't as confident, the problem might not be suspension, it might not be alignment, it might be your tires. Tires are the only contact between your Audi and the road, and choosing the wrong category can completely change grip, acceleration, braking distance, steering response, ride comfort, and fuel efficiency. This episode is about choosing the right tire type for your specific Audi category, not generic advice, Audi specific. Category 1, Audi sedans, A3, A4, A6, S-Line models. These cars are balanced daily drivers with dynamic capability. What they need: strong wet grip, a quiet ride, balanced performance, and long tread life. For daily driven Audi sedans, one of the best all-around choices is the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 All Season. Why? Excellent wet traction, strong corner stability, low road noise, and very consistent steering feedback. If you drive an A4 2.0 TFSI or A6 45 TFSI and want factory-like sharpness, this tire maintains Audi's chassis character perfectly. Alternative strong option for comfort-focused drivers, the Continental Extreme Contact DWS Aero 6 Plus. Great in rain, excellent tread wear, smooth ride, good cold weather capability. For US climate variation, this tire is extremely versatile. If you tag one product for Audi sedans in YouTube shopping, this is one of the safest performance-focused options. Why cheap tires ruin Audi driving feel. Audi suspensions are tuned precisely. Cheap tires can cause 10–15% loss in steering precision, longer braking distance. Excess body roll sensation, road noise increase, traction control intervention earlier. You can have Quattro, you can have dynamic drive select, but bad tires cancel everything. Category 2, Audi S and RS models, S4, S5, RS5, RS6, TTRS. Now we step into performance territory. These cars require maximum dry grip, strong sidewall stiffness, high-speed stability, predictable breakaway characteristics. For serious grip on S and RS models, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. This is one of the best ultra-high-performance summer tires available. Why it works so well on Audi: excellent lateral grip, strong braking stability, consistent heat management, superior steering precision. Alternative aggressive option, the Pirelli P0, PZ4. Often factory-fitted on RS models, good balance between daily comfort and strong performance. If you're running 20 or 21 wheels on RS models, do not compromise here. Performance Audis amplify tire weaknesses. If you want your Audi to maintain factory-level grip, choose wisely. In Part 2, we go deeper. SUVs, winter strategy. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech.
Episode: The Best Tires for Your Audi. Category Breakdown, Part 2. In Part 1, we covered Audi sedans and SRS performance models. Now we focus on Audi SUVs, winter strategy, and how tire tech changes the driving dynamics. Weight, load transfer, and heat buildup mean SUVs change everything. Cade 3. Audi SUVs. Audi SUVs are heavier and sit higher. They transfer more weight during braking and cornering. That means they need strong sidewall stability, reinforced load index, and excellent wet grip. Choosing the wrong tire can destroy that premium Audi feel. For daily driven Audi Q5 or Q7, the Continental Cross Contact LX25 is a top choice. It offers excellent wet braking, a comfortable ride, and strong tread life. Perfect for families who want safety and refinement. If you want something sportier for your SQ5 or Q8, consider the Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4. It has a strong SUV-compatible load rating and maintains stability under hard acceleration and cornering. For high-performance SUVs like the SQ7, the Pirelli Scorpion Zero All Season Plus 3 is designed for lateral support and high-speed stability. These are strong candidates for your SUV-focused setups. Winter tires for Audi are critical. If you live in colder states, they are not optional. Below 45 degrees Fahrenheit, summer compounds harden, leading to reduced grip and longer braking distances. Never run summer tires in freezing temperatures. For standard winter setups, the Bridgestone Blizzak WS90 is excellent for Audi sedans and SUVs alike. It provides strong ice traction and predictable braking when the weather turns harsh. For performance winter driving on S or RS models, the Michelin Pilot Alpine PA4 maintains steering sharpness and high-speed stability, making it perfect for performance Audis in cold climates. Many Audis come with run-flat tires. While convenient, they are heavier and have stiffer sidewalls, leading to a harsher ride. Standard performance tires are lighter and offer better comfort and a more natural steering response. Switching to high-quality standard tires can subtly improve ride comfort and steering feedback. It reduces rotational resistance and improves the overall mechanical connection to the road. Tire width is a balance. Wider tires offer more grip, but also increase rolling resistance and can slightly slow down acceleration. Factory width is usually optimized for your specific Audi setup. Going excessively wider might look aggressive, but it can reduce straight-line efficiency and increase hydroplaning risk. A 245 to 265 upgrade increases grip but reduces rotational efficiency. Balance is everything. I've linked the exact tire models mentioned in this episode via YouTube Shopping. Correct tire choice restores factory braking, steering sharpness, and Quattro effectiveness. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech to help us continue this technical series. In Part 3, we'll cover tire pressure optimization, load settings, and common mistakes Audi owners make. See you in the next one. In Part 1, we covered the best tire categories for Audi sedans and RS models. In Part 2, we focused on SUVs and winter setups. Now we talk about what destroys tires faster than anything else: wrong tire pressure. Because even the best Michelin or Continental tire becomes useless if pressure is wrong. And most Audi owners are running incorrect PSI. Why tire pressure changes everything. Pressure directly affects braking distance, cornering grip, steering precision, fuel economy, tire wear pattern, and acceleration response. Too low? Sidewall flex increases, heat builds up, grip becomes inconsistent, steering feels vague, and rolling resistance increases. Too high? Reduced contact patch, less grip in corners, harsh ride, center tread wear, and less stability in wet conditions. Even a 3 to 4 psi difference can change how your Audi feels. Audi SUVs like the Q5, Q7, and Q8 need 36 to 42 psi depending on load, with higher rear psi under full cargo. Audi S and RS models often have a slightly higher baseline pressure for stability at speed. Audi usually provides two pressure values: normal driving for comfort and full load for 5 passengers plus cargo. If you keep full load PSI while driving alone, the ride becomes harsher and grip decreases. Conversely, if you keep low comfort PSI while fully loaded, the tire sidewall overheats, stability reduces, and braking distance increases. Adjust based on real usage. Most people never change it. If you're serious about maintaining performance, use an Astro AI digital tire pressure gauge. It's accurate to 0.1 psi, compact, and provides reliable readings. And most Audi owners are running incorrect PSI. Why tire pressure changes everything. Pressure directly affects braking distance, cornering grip, steering precision, fuel economy, tire wear pattern, and acceleration response. If this episode helped you, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but allows us to continue producing deep, Audi-focused technical content. All products are linked below. Choose the right setup. Protect your grip. Drive your Audi the way it was engineered to be driven.